For many years, I was afraid to speak. Not because I didn't have thoughts. Not because I had nothing to say. I had many ideas in my head. Sometimes too many. But when the moment came to say them out loud, something stopped me. My body became tense. My throat felt tight. My mind started working too fast. I thought about every word before I said it. I thought about my voice. I thought about how people would look at me. I thought about what could go wrong. And because of that, I often said nothing. From the outside, I probably looked calm. Maybe even quiet and polite. But inside, I was fighting with myself. I wanted to speak, but I was afraid. I wanted to join conversations, but I waited too long. I wanted to answer questions, but I kept thinking, what if I sound stupid? That question followed me everywhere. At school, at work, with new people, even with people I already knew. I would hear others speak easily, and I couldn't understand how they did it. They made mistakes. They used simple words. Sometimes they didn't even explain things perfectly. But they still spoke. And people listened. I thought I needed to be perfect before I could speak. I thought I needed better words, better grammar, better confidence. So I waited. I told myself, I will speak when I am ready. But the strange thing is, I never felt ready. The more I waited, the harder it became. Silence became a habit. Every time I stayed silent, my fear became stronger. Every time I avoided speaking, my brain learned that silence was safer. And in some way, it was safer. If I said nothing, no one could judge my words. No one could laugh at my mistake. No one could tell me I was wrong. But this safety had a price. I started to feel invisible. I was present, but not fully there. I listened, but I didn't participate. I had opinions, but I kept them hidden. And after many conversations, I went home thinking about all the things I should have said. One situation changed how I saw this fear. It was a normal day, nothing special. I was in a small group of people, and we were talking about simple things. Work, daily life, plans for the weekend. Someone asked a question, and I knew the answer. It was not difficult. It was not personal. It was not dangerous. I could answer in one simple sentence. But before I opened my mouth, my mind started again. Say it correctly. Don't sound strange. Don't take too long. What if they don't understand? I waited for the perfect moment. Then someone else answered. The conversation moved forward. And my chance disappeared. It sounds like a small thing. Maybe it was. But for me, it felt heavy. I remember sitting there and realizing something uncomfortable. I was not silent because I had no answer. I was silent because I was afraid of being seen. That thought stayed with me. Afraid of being seen. It sounded strange, but it was true. Speaking is not only about words. Speaking means showing yourself. Your thoughts. Your personality. Your mistakes. Your level. Your uncertainty. And that felt risky. For years, I believed the problem was my ability. I thought I couldn't speak because I didn't know enough. But that day, I understood that knowledge was not the main problem. Fear was. I had enough words to say something simple. I had enough understanding to join the conversation. But I didn't trust myself. After that day, I started noticing the pattern more clearly. I noticed how often I avoided speaking. I noticed how many times I smiled instead of answering. I noticed how often I said, I don't know, when actually I did know, but didn't want attention. This was hard to see, but it was useful. Because once you see a pattern, you can start changing it. I didn't change everything at once. I didn't suddenly become confident. That would be a nice story, but it would not be true. My first step was very small. I decided to say one sentence when I wanted to stay silent. Just one. Not a perfect sentence. Not a smart sentence. Just something real. At first, even that felt difficult. My voice was quiet. My heart was fast. I felt uncomfortable. But after I said it, something interesting happened. Nothing terrible happened. No one laughed. No one attacked me. The world did not end. People just continued the conversation. And that was powerful. Slowly, I learned that speaking is a skill, but it is also a habit. If you practice silence, silence becomes easy. If you practice speaking, speaking becomes easier too. Not immediately. Not magically. But slowly. I started with small moments. Answering simple questions. Sharing small opinions. Asking someone one question instead of only listening. Sometimes I still felt afraid. Sometimes I still overthought every word. Sometimes I spoke badly. I forgot words. I said things in a simple way. I made pauses. But I continued. And the more I continued, the more my brain learned a new lesson: speaking is not danger. Speaking is just communication. I also learned that people care much less than we think. Most people are not analyzing every word. They are thinking about themselves. Their own problems. Their own answers. Their own fears. When I understood this, I felt lighter. I did not need to perform. I did not need to impress everyone. I only needed to communicate. That changed a lot for me. I stopped trying to sound perfect and started trying to be clear. I stopped waiting for confidence and started building it through action. Confidence did not come before speaking. It came after speaking. After many small attempts. After mistakes. After awkward moments. After trying again. Now I still feel fear sometimes. I still have moments when I want to stay quiet. But now I know what silence can cost me. It can cost connection. It can cost opportunity. It can cost growth. So I choose differently more often. I speak before I feel fully ready. I use simple words. I allow myself to be imperfect. And every time I do that, the fear becomes a little smaller. For years, I thought I was waiting for the right moment to speak. But now I understand that the right moment is created by speaking. You don't become ready by waiting. You become ready by doing. So if you are afraid to speak, I understand you. Really. But don't wait for the fear to disappear. Say one sentence with fear. Then another. Then another. One day, you will look back and realize that the voice you were hiding was there all along. It only needed practice, patience, and permission to be heard.